Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures. So we are here at the Moroccan Palace Theater to see Christmas on Ice at Busch Gardens. So come with us. So here is the behind us view of the Moroccan Palace Theater. We're getting ready to go inside and watch Christmas on Ice. I have never seen figure skating before in person. I've seen it on TV hundreds of times because of the Winter Olympics, but this should be very exciting. Ashley's excited about it, and we'll show you a little bit from the show in there. So see you guys in there.
Without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas.
Christmas on Ice, and what'd you think?
I loved it. It was so cool.
I was extremely impressed. I mean, I saw some of those things that they did on TV, but holy cow, in person it is so much better.
Her head was so close to the ground.
Yeah,
on
she
one
kept
of them.
grabbing my arm on one of the moves. Like they were spinning one of the skaters, and her head was so close to the ground. I thought like, oh, we're about to have a cleanup here.
She's gonna lose more than her bow and her hair.
It was amazing. So if you are ever at Busch Gardens during Christmas time, I highly recommend seeing it. And also, you guys need to stick around to near the end of this video because we are going to go to Holiday in the Sky fireworks.
Yeah.
So, as promised, stick around to see that. So, I think what we're going to do is we're going to try and get on Cheetah Hunt.
Yeah,
we're going to try and ride Cheetah Hunt. We were told that it is a much better ride at night. And while we get there, we're going to show you some of the lights that are around here because it's beautiful. So, anyway, see you guys over at Cheetah Hunt. Okay, so we're walking past the Moroccan Theater again, like you guys saw at the beginning, through here, and you guys can see all of these lights that are around in the trees and on trees. They really Christmas this place up really well. Beautiful, Really like it. And it looks like the Ice Princess is out. We'll get a look at her real quick. And here is the Ice Princess meet and greet. So you can see, you can come up to the front, get a photo up with her, and meet her. So on our way to Cheetah Hunt, we walked through these two like pillars, which used to look like an archway. They made it themed really well. And you've got, yeah, it is cool looking. And you got some nutcrackers guarding the way in. And then it gets dark in through here, except for those lights. Those lights lit it up really well. But this is the right over here to the right in the darkness that you can't see. We may have to get that in the daylight tomorrow when we come back. They have cheetahs that come out and trainers that walk through them. There's the queue for Cheetah Hunt there to the left. That's where we're headed. So we got to Cheetah Hunt, and as you can see, it is a 2-hour wait. I think that we're gonna go grab some pizza instead, and then we'll try and get on Cheetah Hunt. I was thinking pizza already. I was gonna get on Cheetah Hunt after we eat. So I think we're just gonna walk right over here to the Serengeti Overlook. It is very pretty. During the daytime, this is where you can sit out on a balcony and see all of the giraffes that they have in their Serengeti over there. So, speaking of giraffes, there's that right there. So, we're gonna head over here to the Serengeti Overlook and eat at some Oasis Pizza. And we'll see you when we get our pizza. So we are up here at Oasis Pizza, and I and Ash both got a pepperoni pizza and some grapes. So we're gonna dig into this pizza real quick. I'm gonna take a quick bite of it. Hang on 1 second. Okay, so I had to get them apart. So now I got a little bite of it. Let's get this piece with the pepperoni on the side here. That's pretty good pizza. Not bad for theme park pizza. Truly. Comes out in longboard style. Each of these meals alone was $25, but we prepaid for our meal plans, so it was free. So yeah. But anyway, we're gonna dive into this, and then when we get done eating, we're gonna go try and get on Cheetah Hunt. Hopefully it's not a 2-hour wait again. All right, so we just got off of Cheetah Hunt, and gotta say, what an awesome experience at nighttime. Highly recommend riding it at night and in the day, both, because yeah, it's just as crazy and scary during the day, but at nighttime it's just got a whole different feel. It really does. So anyway, we're gonna head over to the Christmas Town area, and we'll get to the Holiday in the Sky lights here in a bit. And here's the entrance to Iron Gwazi, again opening March 2022. And you can see it lit up in the background in red and green, and all around the area here.
It's very Mardi Gras feeling.
Very Mardi Gras feeling, yes, with the purple and green, but it also matches the ride.
Yeah.
So, anyway, on to Christmas Town. We made it to the front of Christmas Town Village, or the entrance, and all the way in the back there is fireworks at their festival field starting at 9 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock now, so in about an hour we'll be watching some fireworks. And I think we're gonna look at some treats in here, possibly maybe get one if we find one that we like. So we'll let you know. So we'll see you guys inside. Okay, so we're inside Christmas Town, and as you guys can see, it's very bright in here due to the white light Christmas lights all around, and the bistro lights that literally cover the entirety of the walking path through the middle of this. And on the edges of this walking path, you can see there's small little booths that look like quick grab and go food items, and that's where all of the event foods are. And look at Iron Gwazi there in the background. That thing is massive. Let's get to some lights. Alright, we made it inside. Here's our view with Iron Gwazi, Falcon's Fury, and Shikra in the background, getting ready to launch these things. So here we go.
Holiday in the sky, a fireworks celebration.
incredible.
I think it's better than Disney's.
That's saying something coming from her. Trust me. That's
I loved
crazy.
It. Like the map, I think it's called mapping. I'm not sure what the term is, but like
If you guys know what that term
Yeah.
is, put it in the comments below.
because like it was synchronized with the music, even like the booms was synchronized, which is incredible.
Yeah.
They can time that out. Like, it was
Yeah.
awesome.
And if you can hear the music in our video that we showed you, you can see that also. Like I didn't change any of the audio or nothing. It just came straight through.
It's awesome.
It was
honestly
awesome.
like that was kind of like my night right there.
Yeah. So that is our night. So anyway, you guys. So we've got another day here or 2 more days.
2 more.
We have 2 more days here. I think we're gonna film one more of it, and then the other one we're gonna do it ourselves, or do for ourselves with ourselves and everything. So with that being said, if you don't want to miss out on any more Busch Garden videos or any of our other adventures, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and the bell notification button so that you don't miss any. And with that being said,
Bring on the next adventure.
see you guys.